Hi and welcome to Venmo Mom's Kitchen. My today's recipe is one of my favorite super crispy yam fry. This is one of the vegetable that stays for a long time if you store it properly. During vegetable shortage in lockdown period, we can use this veggie more often. Okay, let's get started and catch up with the recipe. First, we need to remove the skin of the yam without any dust. Because of its appearance, it is also called as elephant foot yam. Then wash it once and cut them into a thin slices like this and put them in clean water, otherwise it becomes black in color. Now we need to half cook these slices first. For that, take some water in bowl, 1 tablespoon of rock salt and add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and mix it well. And then immerse all the sliced yam in it. Some yam might be little itchy to throat. To remove itchiness, we are doing this. Cook this in medium flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. Stir occasionally, otherwise water gets overflows. After 15 minutes, gently take all the pieces from water without breaking it and place it in a plate and let it dry for few minutes. Once it gets dried, switch on the stove and place a fry pan and pour 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Once oil is heated up, add pounded garlic pieces and few curry leaves in it. By adding this gives a nice flavor to this recipe. Then gently place all the yam slices one after another into it and fry it in low flame. It takes some time, so cover the lid and fry to finish it fast. We need to fry until it becomes thin and little crispy. Give a stir for every 5 minutes, then only both sides get fried well. After 15 minutes, add salt as per your taste. Remember that we have added some salt at the beginning also. Then add 2 tablespoons of chili powder and give a mix. Then close the lid and fry it to remove the raw smell of the chili powder. After 5 minutes, we can switch off the stove. Now our spicy, crispy yam fry is ready to serve. It goes well as a side dish with sambar rice, curd rice, or even with rasam. So don't wait, try this method of yam fry and share your comment with us. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press bell button.